Hello, hello, my friends. Today I'm talking about. I show you how to use the fenugreek, how to making fenugreek teas, and and how to use it to make it a sprout later. Okay, and how is you can use this that. I can explain the medicinal effect of the fenugreek later, and in this video I just show you how to use it effectively. And for fenugreek you just use only 1 tablespoon, about teaspoon, okay, teaspoon of dry stick like that, and you add in some cold water. You don't use you don't use the hot water, okay, and you um, you use in the cold water and you leave it overnight. Overnight, just waiting just for slowly, because the um, the main ingredient of fenugreek, this is a polysaccharide. Polysaccharide is the long chain of like the glucose. They can hold in the sugar, and so that's why it can help people with the problem with diabetes, so where they cannot control the sugar in the blood. Um, and this is the color that you can see. Like when you first put it on, it don't have a color, and you have to wait for about a couple hours to get it releases, and you will see that's a very nice golden color on that. And how you drink it? You don't drink it suddenly. You don't drink it so fast. You just drink it slowly. For example, like you can have it drink this like that, a little bit a day, because some people, if you drink it so much, they can have the problem as well. Okay, and just as a tea, it's very a little bit like it's delicious for me. And you can add it on the water continuously, drink slowly, and they can have, like if you have the problem with this is good for diabetes, and they also are very good for edema when suddenly the body just hold on the water, and you suddenly you gaining weight and you don't know why. That's because it's your body holding the water inside. And the tea, fenugreek tea, is very helpful for that edema. You can try it, and this one. And for this, I drink like about 1 bottle a day and drink slowly with water. And when that's, I add in water and I drink slowly, and for 2, 3, or 4, 5 days, until you can see that all of the attraction, all of the yellow color is gone, and you can see completely with the very clear color like this. And don't throw it away. I will show you another use of this, okay? And do you know, like when you go to supermarkets, you see like fenugreek sprouts, very expensive, but very expensive, about $3, just a little bit like that, a little bit like about 100 grams. You can make it at home yourself, okay? After you drink this, and for 2, 3, 4 days, don't throw it away. Okay, I'll show you how. So you just use the glass jar, so you can use the Manson jar, the glass jar. You reuse the bottle, okay? And you take this, then on. Like this, and you use just about the cloth, yeah. So get the air on, and you put the water outside, and you turn it out, you spread it out like this, and you put this jar around the corner of the window, to get some air and to get some sun. And 3 days you will harvest a grow, and they will grow, become the shrub like that. And you rinse it out and take it out. You rinse this out, and you will have a beautiful fenugreek sprouts like that. And you can use this basis in any salad you want to. Again, you see how it's effective. Just about one tablespoon of fenugreek. You can make a tea for 3-4 days, and then you can have this beautiful like syrup, and you can use it every day. Okay, thank you. And if any question about us, please contact me or sign up to akbskincare.com, and I will answer you. Thank you very much for watching. Thank you, and keep follow us or share. Sharing in loving. Thank you very much. Thank you. Bye. See you.